Have you ever heard of cybercrimes?
When you hear the word cybercrime or hacker, what image comes to mind? Is it a sketchy guy, perhaps wearing a dark hoodie, camped out in a dank basement somewhere, typing away furiously? Cybercrime is defined as a harmful activity conducted via the means of technology, including hardware, software, and communication networks. Most of the hackers' primary motivation is financial gain. They are using a variety of methods to do the crime. Hackers use phishing attacks to collect credit card or debit card details, banking account login details. Once they gain credentials, they log into your account and transfer the money to their account. They also use attacks like ransomware on the entire organization for money. The common forms of cybercrime includes phishing, malware, hacking, child pornography, data breach, identity theft, online fraud, and grooming. Tips to prevent cybercrimes and internet threats. Ensure your system is up to date. Cybercriminals are aware of flaws or loopholes to enter in your system. So, always keep your operating systems and internet security software updated. Use a secure internet connection. A VPN encrypts all the traffic before it reaches your device. If the hackers want to attack your device, they cannot intercept anything except your encrypted data. Use a strong password. A combination of letters, numbers, and symbols will make a strong password. With the help of a password manager, you can assign and store encrypted passwords for different sites. Be aware of fraudulent emails. When a spam email appears in your window and asks you to share your logins, never fall for that trap. Remember, any established brand never asks for your login credentials through any email. Protect yourself from identity threats. The hacker uses a public profile on social media to steal personal data. You might get tricked away by these emails and messages, leading to potential identity threats or heavy financial losses. Manage your social media settings. When you are working on your social media profile, the best advice is to keep your personal or private information locked from public eyes.
Cybersecurity is a shared responsibility, and it boils down to this. In cybersecurity, the more systems we secure, the more secure we are.